Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are going to make a special video which is a signature dal from my own creation. So I hope you'll watch this video till the end. If you are looking for the recipe of how to make idlis, this is idlis and chapatis or tawa bread, I will link the links below and you can watch that. And though the audio may be a little different from now, because that was in the initial stage of the videos that I was making. And for those who are new, welcome aboard, and for those who are with me, thank you. And without further delay, let's see what are the ingredients and methods how to make this dal, which is a healthy, vegan, plant-based, and all three items are all plant-based. So let's get into the kitchen without further delay. Our first step is to soak the tamarind, and the tamarind that I have here is about a lemon size or a lime size, so with a 1 cup of hot water. And on a pressure cooker pot, so you add your dal washed, and also you add them into it with the water itself. And the next step is you add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and also 2 to 3 cups of water. And this is all we need. And now we shall pressure cook this for 6 to 8 whistles. As usual, close your pot cover and make sure it is well secured, and also put on the weight, and we shall pressure cook this on medium heat or medium high for 7 to 8 whistles. Our dal has already been cooked well, and I have left it for about 6 whistles, and so now we shall get into the next process. And now it's time to cook the dal, and we shall add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and also 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, and we will cover it until the mustard seed cracks. Our mustard seeds are cracking, so let it crack for a bit. And the mash cover that we put on is to prevent from splash, and this is for safety reason. The mustard seed has already been cracked, and now it's time to add the chana dal, and we'll wait until for it to get brown. It will take about a couple of seconds. The chana dal is changing its color, so now it's time to add the urad dal. It is 2 teaspoons of each. Mustard seed 2 teaspoons, chana dal 2 teaspoons, and also urad dal 2 teaspoons. The urad dal has changed its color, and so now we will add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. The cumin seeds has already starting to cook, and we will add 3 dried chilies chopped. The dried chilies has changed its color, so now we will add 1 to 2 green chilies, which is finely chopped. And now it's time to add the curry leaves. 1 sprig. If your curry leaves are big, you may cut them half, or you can cut them into small pieces. So let the curry leaves get listed a little bit. And it's time to add your onions. You can add 1 onion, but I'm using half an onion because I had a very large onion. So half an onion goes in and you saute it. And at this point you can add a little bit of salt. This will help the onions to soften quickly or become translucent quickly. And we will wait for the onions to get caramelized a little bit. As the onions are getting caramelized, so we will add some asafoetida, approximately about 1 teaspoon, and give it a quick saute. And we will wait for the onions to get caramelized a little bit. As our onions has already been caramelized, we will add the tomatoes now and give it a quick saute, and we will let it cook until the tomatoes get softened. And for that we will add some water. So a little bit of water that will help the tomatoes to cook faster, approximately about 1/4 cup. And we will wait for the tomatoes to get cooked. And our tomatoes has already been softened, and now it's time to add the chili powder, which is 2 teaspoons. To cook the chili powders faster, we will add a little bit of water, and we will give about 3 minutes for it to cook, or until oil gets separated, and we know that the indication that the chili powders are cooked. As you can see, the oil is getting separated and the bottom is slowly starting to catch, and this is the time we shall add the tamarind extract. So I have ready 1 cup of tamarind extract, and with that we'll just give it a quick mix and let it come to a boil approximately about 10 minutes until all the raw smell goes off. Until then we'll keep it covered for 10 minutes. It is already been 10 minutes and our dal is coming up, and at this time now we can add our cooked dal into this. And we will give it a quick mix, and it looks diluted, but as after cooking, when it cools off, it will become thicker. So I'm not going to worry too much of adding any water. But if your dal is thick when you cook in your pressure cooker, then when you add this, then add water according to your desired thickness or lightness. So this will give it to come for a boil, and we will wait until the dal comes to a boil. And our dal is boiling well, and so now it is time to mix it well, and we could remove them, but before that we shall add a few ingredients more. And if your dal starts to catch, just make sure that your heat is not too high. Always keep it on a medium when you cook your dal, and time to time make sure that you scrape down, as mine has been catched in the bottom, but it's not burnt, so this is still good, and we can just mix it up. And finally I'm going to add some sugar. Here's some sugar, about half a teaspoon. This is to blend all the spices. And also we will add some cilantro, a handful of cilantro chopped. And we are done. Our dal is ready to be served with roti, rice, chapati. This is ready to be served. And dear viewers, we have come to our final part of our video for the signature dal, which can go with idli, dosa, chapati and even bread. any kind of bread also it will go well. And so this is my signature dal which I have made, and which is not from anyone's recipe, it is from my own. And so I hope you will try this dal and let me know in your comments. And for those who are celebrating Lent season, I wish you a blessed season of Lent. May the season be a fruitful one for you. And so this is a pure vegan and it's plant-based, which is way healthier, and there's no dairy product mixed or animal product byproduct mixed. It is a straight vegan. I hope you will try that in your home. For those who are new, welcome aboard. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and share my video with others. And also for those who are with me, thank you very much, and I wish you a happy day and also a blessed season once again, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.